Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you another web utility app that I created in Gemini. This was 100% vibe coded, meaning that I told Gemini exactly what I wanted and it wrote the code for me. This app is going to be useful for transforming raw data into an interactive dashboard. To show you how this web utility app works, I'm going to be using data from a bakery. So imagine a bakery that receives orders from customers using Google Forms. The data from Google Forms can be connected to Google Spreadsheet, and then you can download that data. So just imagine that's where we are. We have all our customer data in our CSV file and we want to make some sense out of it. That's where this dashboard comes in. The first step would be to upload our CSV file here. Before doing this, I'm going to show you what the file looks like in Google. So here is what the database looks like. This sample database set has 50 entries and it has standard entries. So things like customer name, email address, submission date, cake flavor, cake size, and so on. So pretty standard database set. So what we're going to do next is upload this file into our database analyzer. All right, so back here, click to upload, and that's it. In one click, we have our entire database transformed into a very useful dashboard. Let's take a closer look. It starts with giving us some summary information up here with KPI cards. Then we have this chart right here that's really good to show you information that are related to dates. So things like how many orders you've received based on dates. And then we have here 4 additional charts. So this would be nice for bar charts, pie charts, donut charts, and mini tables. So that's what we have here. Down here, we have a table. This is the same database that we imported into the spreadsheet. It's just much more organized in a way that we can filter, sort, things like that. The nice thing about this is that if you wanted to change things around, so let's say here you wanted this to be represented in a different type of chart, you can change it here too. So if you wanted this to be a line chart instead of bar chart, with one click, you can change it. If you wanted a pie chart instead of a donut chart, just change it right here and it automatically does that for you. So pretty useful tool, much better than staring at a CSV file and trying to make sense out of it. Let's try out another one. I have another example of a data set similar to this, but with some different values just to see if that works as well. To add another data set, click on Add Chart. Let's upload the second data set. Click here, double click to upload. And here's what it looks like. So it doesn't really matter what you upload. It's going to be able to analyze it for you. The other thing I did not mention earlier is that you can change how this data is analyzed. Right now, we have it based on pickup date. This is the pickup date and the number of orders for this pickup date. So if we wanted to see something different, let's say order status, click on that. Now it shows us the order status here and the number of orders for each of these different order statuses. All of these, by the way, can be adjusted. So you can change it to whatever you want. Let's change this to frosting type and it updates automatically. So very, very easy to use chart. And then finally, you can export this data, but I would have to say that I'm still working on the export PDF. It's not working right now 100%, but by the time you watch this video, it might be working. I will leave a link to this web app in the description box below and in the pinned comment section. Go ahead and test it out. You can test it out with different types of data and let me know what works and doesn't work for you. Give me whatever feedback you can. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.